In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your online course using Google Classroom. Whether you're an educator transitioning to online teaching or looking for ways to enhance your virtual classroom, this guide will provide you with the essential steps to set up, organize, and operate your course smoothly. Let's begin with setting up your Google Classroom. First, navigate to classroom.google.com and log in using your Google account. Once you're there, you'll see a dashboard. On the top right, click the plus icon and select Create Class. Here you'll need to enter the details for your course, the class name, section, subject, and if you like, the room. Filling in these fields will help keep your classes organized. Next, you might want to make your classroom visually appealing. You can personalize the theme by either selecting the customize option or uploading an image of your choice. This small step can enhance the look and feel of your virtual environment and make it more inviting for students. Now that your class is set up, it's time to invite students. You have a couple of options here. You can either share the class code you'll find on the stream page, allowing students to join at their convenience. Alternatively, if you prefer a more direct method, click on the People tab and invite students individually by entering their email addresses. With your students joining in, let's talk about organizing your class content. The Stream tab is your go-to place for all announcements, reminders, and fostering discussions. Think of it as a bulletin board for your class. Meanwhile, the Classwork tab is crucial for creating and dispersing your course material. Here you can create assignments, quizzes, and organize these resources into topics, such as by week or by module, to ease navigation for students. In the People tab, you can manage students and co-teachers, ensuring everyone is in their appropriate roles. The Grades tab, on the other hand, allows you to monitor and manage student progress, offering a clear overview of how each student is performing. Creating assignments is a vital part of your course. Head to the Classwork tab, click Create by and choose between assignment, quiz assignment, or material. Here, you can add detailed instructions, attach essential resources like Google Docs, slides, or even YouTube videos, and set clear deadlines. Using the rubrics feature can provide clear grading criteria, which will aid in fair and consistent assessment. Don't forget, you can also schedule your posts or save them as drafts if you need to come back to them later. A productive classroom thrives on good communication. Use the Stream tab to post announcements and updates regularly. Encourage a dynamic learning environment by allowing students to comment and ask questions. Engaging in this dialogue will help boost interaction and promote a lively discussions. Finally, we come to grading and providing feedback. Visit the Grades tab or open assignments directly to begin assessing student work. Provide constructive feedback to inspire and guide your students' learning journey. There you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough of setting up and managing your Google Classroom. With these steps, you'll be on your way to creating an organized, engaging, and effective online learning environment.